What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, we have a basic ABC ball fade, #1 blade on top. Shout out to Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? All right, let me come down, adjust my camera, and go to work. Let's go! Hey, if you're new to the channel, this is the time you subscribe. I'm gonna zoom in a little, and we're gonna go to work. As you already know my style, half of the haircut has already been completed. I leave this half for recording purposes. Like I said, it's a basic ball fade, high ball fade, with the #1 blade on top. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I appreciate the subscription. Here we go. All right. Let me get my cordless clipper. Boom. Shout out to Guns of the Barber. What's up? Miguel Torres, I see you. Betty Boobs, thank you for watching. All right, let's get that. All right. The circuit is plain and simple. Boom. It's gonna be a quick one, a fast one. As you guys already know, my style is still the same. I always do my first guideline with the old A blade. Since it's only gonna be one guideline on this haircut, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the top down first. And then I use my old A to blend into it. OA 00050. That's it. You know, there's not a whole lot of steps, especially with this basic haircut. Good morning, sir. Did you have an appointment this morning?
No.
Okay, okay. Hey, give me a moment, okay? Give me just a moment.
Yep.
You doing the same thing you did the last time? The ball fade?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Brian, let's get him started, please. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the top down.
Mr. Rick.
My good man.
How's it going?
Oh, life is good. Oh, man. It's going to be a good day today.
It's going to be a very good day.
Oh, man. Oh, man. I did not expect you this morning.
Now, I came here yesterday. I'm like, man, you guys are closed. So I'm like, yeah, Mr. Rick straight up this morning.
I'm telling you. Hey, you know I'm in the air, right? I'm recording a video right now.
Oh, okay.
Give me just a moment, okay?
Hey, everybody, I'm gonna wait inside my car, right?
Sure, no problem. All right, this is the one on top. There's a cowlick in the front, so I had to work around it. Yes, I still have my one on. Also, I'm using my Oster Octane, all detachable blades. By the way, this video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School LLC in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. All right, you two, give me a moment. As you can see, I'm at work. All right. This show must go on. All right. 1.5 on top. This is my 08 blade. Here we go. Now I'm going to start fitting into the one up top. 08 at an angle. Get in there. By the way, shout out to Larry's Barber College on the south side of Chicago. I appreciate you guys watching in school. Barber Illuminati. Triple zero into the OA at an angle. Get in there. Five zero into the triple zero. Get in there. Now I'm going to quickly repeat some of the steps with the OA 000, then we're going to wrap it up. Look at the 000 one more time. Easy. We don't need too much of it. All right, I'm gonna go over the top one more time. Making sure everything is fairly even. All right, YouTube, this is a cut. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, you can find me on Instagram, Barber Illuminati. I'm gonna do a quick spin, then we're out of here.